Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to start fundraising project on AmtelWebFunding. AmtelWebFunding is actually a platform that was developed to help people who are in need of funds, who are in need of financial help from others in order to, bridge the gap so that they can use the platform, to solicit for funds from people who are willing to donate to their causes. So that's why AmtelWebFunding was created. And so today, I'm going to show you how to start fundraising on the platform. It's actually very easy. So if you have signed up already, you can log in and you'll be taken to the account page just like here. If you have not signed up, you can go to the home page and sign up on the platform. And once you sign up, you'll be redirected to this place. Don't bother about verifying your email for now. The goal is to teach you how to start fundraising project on the platform. So here, right in front of you, you see a fundraising account detail. This account was created during the registration process. The account is for someone, most people who would not like to use their credit cards online, they will actually be able to send the money to this account by transfer, mobile transfer, or any other means other than online card transaction. And the amount they pay will be added to your campaign or your project automatically, your project that is running on this platform automatically. So this is the note. Whenever this account receives money by transfer or whatever means, one of your active fundraising project gets updated or funded instantly. So once you're here, you can either start a new project or you can click on this icon here, new project. Not icon, button. So at this time, it's expected that you have prepared your content. That is, you know exactly what you want to raise funds for. You know why people should help you raise funds for that particular cause. In this case, I have my fundraising is for medical reasons, though this is just a sample. So it's for medical reasons. So I click on medical as the category, and the title, I have it already, is in need of kidney transplant. You can see how simple and concise it is. You have to write something that is attractive so that people will be able to read and develop a kind of empathy or sympathy in order to donate to your project, if it is for medical or anything that has to do with human life. But if it's for a personal project, you have to write it that people that would like to fund you will look at it and say, wow, this is a good business idea, and they'll be willing to help fund the project. So in this case, it's a medical issue, and so I have the content prepared. But the right, you will see a preview. This preview is actually supposed to show you how the project is going to look like by the time you're done publishing it. And so let us continue. Okay, perfect. Now you have to set the amount you're looking for. In this case, let's say I'm looking for 50,000. Well, I don't think there's any kidney transplant in Nigeria or any part of the world that could be 50,000 naira. But then let's leave it at that. Naira is a Nigerian currency. If you're watching this from somewhere outside of Nigeria, it's a naira. It's the currency of the Nigerian government. And you can set this up when you're setting up the campaign. Every single, when you're setting up your account, every single account is related to a particular currency. In this case, I am using the Nigerian currency, which is the Nigerian naira. So let's look at that. The project type is donation. I'm looking for donations, and it should end in 31 days. Okay, so that process was successful. Now I need to provide a visual display, like what should people see. If I'm talking about a sick person, I should show them here. If I'm talking about school, I should show the school. If I'm talking about my condition, I should show the condition, either by image or video. Or if I'm talking about something else, I should be able to either provide image or video that will captivate attention. Visual. When you see something, you believe it more, or you tend to actually see a clearer picture of it the more. So you have to provide something, a visual display for it. So in this case, I have images. So I'm going to select my images from the desktop. Sorry, I'm using a Windows computer. Those on Mac, you can know how to navigate your way. I'm not teaching computer here. Thank you. My desktop. I'm going to sample. Okay, so this is image of Abakari. Abakari was our chief of staff. He died a few months ago due to COVID-19. May his soul rest in peace. Using his images here to show this sample. He was one of the most loved and hated person at the same time in the Buhari government administration. Okay, so once you set the images, you can click on continue. Okay, campaign is successful. You can see it here. You can navigate, breeze through it, and see. You can read everything. And then you notice here that we understand you need capital and our platform guarantees exposure to our generous donors. As a form of commitment, please endeavor out of your goodwill to help fund a project on the platform with any amount as little as you can afford. By experience, those who help others are more likely to receive the same gesture from donors. Besides, it will enlist you among our donors, a great way to receive our accolades. Remember, as you fund others, when others visit this site to publish their causes and great campaigns, your project in need of a kidney transplant will show up as an option to be funded. This is to ensure that anyone who publishes project on this platform has an equal chance of getting funded. We are a community of people who help themselves. Our system places high priority on people who have the desire to help others. No amount is too small. So for your project to be published, if you are publishing for the first time for your project to be published on this platform, you have to donate to someone. So you click here to go to where you can donate to someone. And you can look for an existing project and donate to it any amount. And once you are done with the donation, the system will direct you. You can donate to any amount. Put the amount there, say 400. That campaign to is Naira. And you can go ahead and write something if you want to, and then you can go ahead and donate. So once the donation is successful, that is the payment is successful, the system is going to redirect you. The system is going to, I would have actually gone ahead to actually make the donation, but it is my screen. I can't be typing my credit card there. That's why. If not, I could have gone ahead to make donation. I see that the system will redirect me back to my account. And in this case, it will redirect me back to the existing project, which I have here. And then you can see directly that at that stage here, you could see publish my project. So if once you get here and you see publish my project and you click on it, you get it gets to the admin see the project, breeze through it and see if there's any error, if there's any problem. They can, if it's something they can help you correct, they can. If it's something that you need to correct from your end, they'll send you an email or approach you and say you should correct it, and then they will go ahead and publish your campaign and project. And so once they publish it, you will receive an email and with a link to the project so that you can start sharing it immediately to your loved ones, your friends, family, colleagues, or using your social media handles or anyhow you want to spread the campaign. And AmtelWebFunding from their end may use their social media handles as well to actually spread your project and share it to their network, and people will actually look at your project and help you fund it. Yeah, so that's it, guys. That is just it about fundraising with AmtelWebFunding. For the meantime, if you have any issues that you need to contact AmtelWebFunding, you can go to contact us. You can write us here and we'll reply you immediately. We'll see your email, or you can call directly. So that is all about it. If you have anything you want to discuss with Amtel, you can talk about it and we'll be glad. Thank you very much for being here. I hope this helps.